Zoom in 仔細睇6個好重要嘅問題。Read the instruction， 一定要睇題目啊！其實點解要睇題目呢？題目有咩咁好睇呢？嗰幾幅圖我都睇得明啦，我可以睇完就即刻寫㗎。題目就梗係唔係因為好睇先睇啦，係因為佢提供咗一啲好重要嘅資訊。就算喺我哋未開始睇嗰4幅圖之前，我哋就可以憑短短幾句嘅 instruction 知道故事嘅背景。Miss Circle 批改過咁多學生嘅作文，等我慢慢同你分享佢哋曾經擺過嘅烏龍啦。題目 instruction 就好似屋主俾建築師嘅指示咁，如果你睇都唔睇，淨係憑住自己對圖畫嘅理解同埋創意去寫故事，咁係有機會會寫錯㗎。首先我哋一齊嚟睇下呢6個圖案，你哋聯想到啲乜嘢啊？佢哋就係 instruction 裏面最常會揾到嘅6個重要資訊。我哋依家逐個睇下。第一個時鐘，好明顯就係關於時間 when。呢個人仔呢，冇錯，係指呢個故事裏面嘅主要人物 who。而呢個好似 Google Map 地圖地標嘅圖形呢，佢就係代表住故事發生嘅地點 where。 至於呢個問號呢 what， 佢代表事情。呢個故事發生咗一件咩事呢？時人地事呢4個元素，相信同學都唔會覺得陌生。4個元素加埋一齊，就算未睇圖畫，已經大概知道呢個故事嘅背景係點，令到我哋可以快速咁掌握到故事嘅起點。有啲同學仔成日都話唔知道點樣開始寫。如果你都係咁嘅話，睇題目就變得非常有用。你可以好好咁利用題目俾你嘅資訊，作為你故事嘅開端。我哋一齊嚟睇下呢個例子，睇下你識唔識得喺題目裏面揾翻呢4個元素出嚟。而家俾10秒鐘你快速咁閱讀一下題目。好，我哋嚟一齊讀下題目啊。Tom helped to clean his classroom yesterday. You are Tom. Look at the pictures and write the story in about 80 words. You may use the words in the boxes to help you. What happened in the end? Finish the story. 第一個元素 when， 幾時啊？ Yesterday， 琴日。第二個元素 who， 邊個啊？ Tom。第三個元素 where， 邊度啊？ Classroom。 His classroom， 阿 Tom 嘅課室啊。第四個元素呢 what， 發生咗啲咩事啊？ Help to clean his classroom， 幫手清潔課室。就係短短嘅第一句，我哋就已經知道成個故事一啲好重要嘅基本資訊。你見到圖畫裏面有好多個人嘅，但係我哋因為有睇題目，所以我哋唔會搞錯自己係其他人。我哋唔會係嗰個掃緊地嘅女同學啊，我哋唔會係嗰個喺黑板前面嘅老師，因為我哋叫 Tom， 係一個男仔名，咁所以就應該係擦緊黑板嗰個男仔啦。你話如果我哋冇睇題目，唔好彩搞錯咗嘅時候，成篇文章會變成點呢？除咗啱啱呢4個問題之外，仲有2個隱藏問題，你必須要喺睇完題目之後問清楚自己嘅，分別係 Who are you？ 你係邊個啊？同埋 what tense， 用乜嘢時式去寫呢個故事呢？ Miss Circle 考考你啊！我哋用返同一個故事做例子，以下係兩個同學寫呢個故事嘅第一句，你認為邊一句先係正確嘅呢？ A. Yesterday morning, Tom helped to clean his classroom with his classmates. B. Yesterday morning, I helped to clean my classroom with my classmates. 3, 2, 1. Time's up! 你揀咗 A 定係 B 啊？如果你揀咗 B 嘅話 ，Congratulations， 你答啱咗啦。題目好清楚講明 You are Tom， 所以你寫呢個故事嘅時候，必須使用第一人稱視角 First person point of view， 即係將你自己代入 Tom 呢個人物裏面。所以當你寫呢個故事嘅時候，你會用 I、we、my、our 呢啲字，而唔係 Tom、he、his， 清楚嗎？另一個問題係 tense 時式，寫故事嚟講咧，一般都係用過去式 past tense 嘅，所以你見到題目嘅 verb helped 都係用緊 past tense， 亦會見到好似 yesterday 咁樣嘅 time expressions 時間字詞。我哋嚟做多少少練習啊！一齊嚟睇下呢條題目。Tim had a school picnic with his classmates in Sunny Park last weekend. 第一個問題 When 幾時啊？ Last weekend 上個週末。第二個問題 Who 邊個啊？ Tim his classmates。第三個問題 Where 邊度啊？ Sunny Park。第四個問題 What 發生乜嘢事？ Had a school picnic 學校旅行啊。第五個問題 Who are you 你係邊個啊？ You are Tim。所以寫呢個故事嘅時候，我哋要用I、we、my、our 呢啲字眼，用第一人稱嘅視角去寫呢個故事。第六個問題 tense， 你見到 had、last weekend 呢啲字，就知道要用過去式 past tense。我哋做多個練習啊，一齊嚟睇下題目。You are writing a story about Danny.Danny went shopping at a supermarket with his mother last Sunday. Look at the pictures and write the story in about 80 words. 第一個問題 When 幾時啊？ Last Sunday 上個星期日。第二個問題 Who 邊個啊？Danny, his mother。第三個問題 Where 邊度啊？ At a supermarket。第四個問題 What 發生咩事啊？ Went shopping 去買嘢。第五個問題 Who are you 你係邊個啊？You are writing a story about Danny。你係一個寫故事嘅人，你寫緊一個關於 Danny 嘅故事。你喺唔喺個故事裏面啊？唔喺啊，你唔係呢個故事裏面任何角色。所以寫呢個故事嘅時候，我哋要用 Danny、he、his 呢啲字。用第三人稱嘅視角去寫呢個故事 ，OK 嘛？即係你唔會講 I went shopping with my mother， 而係應該寫 Danny went shopping with his mother。第六個問題 tense， 你見到 went、last Sunday 呢啲字眼，你應該知道要用過去式 past tense 啦。Easy， 我諗唔係好難明啊，只係需要小心啲啫。Miss Circle 都建議你一邊閱讀題目，一邊圈低呢啲 keywords。當你一路寫故事嘅時候，想確認翻呢啲資訊呢，一眼就可以睇到啦，唔使再揾嚟揾去。講開 keywords 關鍵字，其實唔係淨係出現喺 instruction， 連圖畫裏面都有噶。下一節我哋再講啦。